fun and learn. Dear kids, today we will learn preposition. Do you know what is preposition? A preposition is a little word that helps to understand where something is or when something happens. For example, look at the picture. The cat is sitting on the car. In the sentence, the cat is sitting on the car, on is the preposition because it tells us where the cat is located. Dear kids, let's practice the preposition with me. Where is the apple? Where is the apple? The apple is on the box. The apple is on the box. Where is the boy? Where is the boy? The boy is sitting on the books. The boy is sitting on the books. Where is the apple? Where is the apple? The apple is on the table. The apple is on the table. Where is the parrot? Where is the parrot? The parrot is on the tree. The parrot is on the tree. Where is the bird? Where is the bird? The bird is on the box. The bird is on the box. Where is the boy? Where is the boy? The boy is sitting on the sofa. The boy is sitting on the sofa. Where is the monkey? Where is the monkey? The monkey is sitting on the branch. The monkey is sitting on the branch. In these sentences, on is preposition. Thanks for watching.